Wednesdays here on the program, we like to put the spotlight on a farm women's group, Common Ground.
Common Ground is a group of farm women who want to be a resource for consumers who want to know more about how their food is grown. Joining us now is Ashley Babl from Albion. Ashley, thanks for being here today.
Yes, thanks for having me.
You
Good
bet.
morning.
How's everything in your area?
Going well. Harvest is in full force, so everybody's all hands on deck.
Okay, so you're here to talk about how third-party labs help ensure food and water safety. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so a lot of times we like to focus on the actual practice of farming, whether it's planting, irrigation, harvesting, and everything that goes with that. But some of the behind-the-scenes things that go on is farmers are utilizing third-party laboratories for soil testing to make sure that they are putting down the right amount of fertilizers, or if they're doing a plant tissue analysis, making sure that the nutrients that they did put down are getting into the plants. But also that's something that consumers can utilize as well in their home garden or their lawn or their drinking water. And so working with a third-party laboratory ensures that we're being safe with our natural resources, we're putting down what's needed and not using excess, and making sure that those resources or the food that we grow is safe to eat.
So what is an example of that? Like maybe a farmer would reach out to an agronomist like you and say, hey, what's wrong with my soil?
Yeah.
Or what can I do to make it better?
Yeah.
Is that kind of the thing?
Yeah, so he will take a sample, send it in to us, we'll run it through our analysis, and then we will produce results for him on a report that he can either work with that laboratory, such as the one I work with, or he can work with a local agronomist and go through those numbers, make sure they are within range that we consider sufficient. And if they're not, we can do a fertilizer recommendation.
Yeah, the question I guess I have there is, why would consumers want to know this, that this kind of thing is going on? Obviously, I think it's really helping the farmer be more efficient.
Yes, yeah, and be sustainable in his practice and make sure that we're taking care of those resources, and in turn making the food that we grow reasonably priced.
Ashley, where do you work?
I work for Midwest Laboratories.
Midwest
Okay,
Laboratories.
very cool.
Okay,
And then you
cool.
handle that kind of thing, don't you? You do
Yep.
agronomy and that sort of thing.
I sure do.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, and I know you're sticking around. You have a recipe today.
Yes, sweet potato and apple pie cobbler.
That sounds really good. We have it on our Facebook page already, but I can't wait to see it.
Yes,
So,
that should be
all right.
good.
Ashley, thank you.
Thank you.